Bim, I have some big news for you.
What is it, Bam?
Tomorrow we're going to start a race for the animals.
A race?
Yes, Bim, a race. All of our animals are going to do a big race.
Wow. You know, Bam, I was wondering who would lose.
Why would you say that?
Just asking Bam, who's going to be running in tomorrow's race?
The horse, the bear, the dog, the cat, the deer, and the tortoise.
Wait, what was the last one you said?
The tortoise.
The tortoise? Oh, Bam, I bet the tortoise wouldn't even win.
Why not?
Because they're slow. They're not fast.
Oh yeah, you're right, Bim. A tortoise.
A tortoise.
The tortoise is one of the slowest animals in the world.
Wow, Bam, that is a slow animal.
Tortoises have a hard shell on their backs to protect themselves.
When they are scared, they hide in their shell for protection.
Wow, the tortoise is very slow. So will the tortoise join the race, Bim?
No, the tortoise is far too slow. You shouldn't keep it in the race.
All right then, we won't keep the tortoise in the race.
So who's gonna join the race to replace the tortoise?
How about us? We will join the race tomorrow.
Oh, great idea, Bam. We're gonna join in the race tomorrow. So much fun.
It's so much fun! I love learning about animals.
What we love is animals, that is what we love. What we love is animals. It's so much fun learning about animals, isn't it?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.